I think it's a win-win for both the dentist and the patient. A lot of people don't know about the One Visit Crown, but it's an option to a crown. The biggest pluses are for the patient. It's only one visit. Cost, they're probably paying about $1,000 less for a conventional crown, so they're saving money. But I like it because it's also you're doing less damage to the tooth, so you're preparing less of the tooth.
I do see a future in a new product called One Visit Crown. It cuts out treatment time. Generally, it's done in about 1 to 1.5 hours. If the patient does require a conventional crown, say in 5 years' time, they can still do a conventional crown.